I think that's a cockerel. Colour of the Welsummer. That's a Welsummer. The brown one and the black one's a black Copper Maran. And that is a black Copper Maran behind the gate. But he's got quite a lot of copper on him. And look at his comb. Big red comb. Yeah, lots of copper tones. Whereas this one, difficult. She's got a little comb. Yeah, not completely red, and she's just sort of like black, mostly. A little bit of copper in the little hackle feathers. Little stretch there. There we go. So that's the Copper Maran, black Copper Maran. You can see him there. Girl versus boy. Rooster versus hen. Okay, that's a rooster, I think, again. See that colouring? It's dark at the wings, the light on his hackles. Where's the female? Hold on. Oh, you scared him away as well, didn't you, Fenton? Definitely. Just tried to have a go at Bonnie there. So there's the hen, and there's the cockerel. I can't see because of the sun. You can see the different markings. Tuk 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 tuk. And rooster. Coming in the sun, there we go, we can see you in your full glory. What are we going to do with you? There's the two boys there. So half of the chicks I got are hens and half are roosters, I think. I only got 4. Now, if I'd have done my research before I got them, Welsummers, when they're chicks, I'll show you a picture, they've got like eyeliner, striking eyeliner, and a V shape on the head as a chick. The hens have more pronounced eyeliner and a V shape, whereas the cockerels are duller at that time. Both boys there with red combs, and the girls tuk tuk have less pronounced combs. Where are you? Tuk tuk. And different coloured feathers. I'm not going to moan about the sun, it's lovely, but I can't see. You have like partridge feathers and some lighter feathers around the neck. Tuk tuk. Oh yeah, orangey. And a very pronounced comb. Tuk tuk. Yes, I know, you're beautiful. Oh, there's those two together, look. You can compare them well. That's a black Copper Maran. And a hen. And that was a Welsummer. And a hen. Yeah, you got your feathers back now, haven't you? Half-blind chicken. Tuk tuk. Gracie. Frankie. Apricot. Java. Patsy. They're all Silkies. Well, Frankie and Gracie are rescue hens, along with Blondie and Bonnie.